waiting, trying to keep me locked out. Fuck them niggas, I break in. Zabuza when I'm raging, hit and miss, I'm inhaling. Naruto with that wrestling gun, bring the pain when it's raining. God body, riding shoddy, Jesus gripping that wheel. They all copy, try to stop me, but I'm stronger than steel. I won't bend, fuck a trend, I'm just keeping it real. Got no friends in the end, they won't cut you a deal. So fuck them all, trying to ball, gotta get up and get it. From my mom, get from God, been there since the beginning. All of y'all could just fall off the top of a building. I'm a star, I can fall high up above the ceiling, let's get it. Trying to climb over mountains, trying to breathe but I'm drowning. Trying to yell but I'm silent, try to fade but I'm timeless. All these niggas be lying, talking about what they buying. Then when shit get too real, them same niggas be quiet. Chattering, they be splattering, acting like they be savages. But these niggas be bitches, they win award for best actresses. Money under the mattresses, I grew up around crack addicts, plus some killers that'll get you, make it look like an accident. I don't talk, I just walk down the path I was given. I don't give a fuck about none of you niggas' feelings. Got a lot of ambition, third eye intuition. Know that these haters wishing that I would fall, but I've risen. I'm winning. Some of these rappers cool, some of these rappers garbage. Some of these rappers clean, and some of these niggas need showers. Money, sex, drugs, and power, that's the way of the world. But I'ma take this shit over, and I'ma start with your girl. And I'ma break all your rules, and I'ma take all your jewels. Sold your soul for some camera time, and I'm taking that too. Niggas thought I would lose, I was playing it cool. Plotting to take the crown, cause this shit ain't made for two. All my shit be legit, all my verses be tens. Making cents in the dollars with every word that I spit. Come and see me on top when you finish crossing that bridge. Maybe then we could talk, but on this throne I'ma sit and that's it.